Hey guys, welcome to the channel. JB here, super pumped. This is a community, as I always say, more than channel, so obviously comment down below. We've got an Ewin Racing, I hope I said that right, chair that we're gonna unbox. This is a gaming chair. This is their XL. I'll tell you what it is. I got my notes here. Ewin Racing Heavy Duty gaming chair, right? So for you gamers out there, we're gonna compare it to my Secret Labs chair that I absolutely love. But there's some things I wanna tell you about this as we get into it. They tell us that this is a wide and flat seat without hip huggers, and it also has a wide back, so people who are 5'7" to 7 foot really can use this chair's how you say that word, ergonomical kind of comfort. So I'm 5'9", Zach is behind the camera right here. He's 6'4". We're both gonna try this sucker out. Holds up to 550 pounds. I'm 160, Zach, I have no idea what you are. But most chairs can only bear 300 pounds like this one, so 550. We're gonna compare it to other chairs. And by the way, they sent me this for review. They are not reviewing this review. What they are doing is, they did send this over to me. I'm not getting paid. This is not a sponsorship, but they are giving anybody that wants to go buy it, there's a link down below, 30% off. You just use the code MORNINGCOACH. That's what they're doing for us and all our subscribers, which is pretty cool. So no compensation, but they are giving a discount code for you guys. So what we're gonna do now is jump into it. Let's unbox this thing. We'll put it together, we'll do the video and show you that, and then we'll come back and conclude, and we'll try it against a Secret Lab. This is a Labs chair. Could this become my daily driver? Let's find out. Side. Okay. Look. Do not cut. Do not cut. Unfortunately, we didn't cut that bad. Do not cut. That's why we use the little one. That's why we use the little one instead of the big one. All right. And I'm a black belt at that, by the way, just so you know. All right. So we are in. Let's check out what we got in here. Okay. We have the base. Okay, so we're gonna set that to the side. This thing is heavy. I gotta tell you, it is heavy. Okay, and now we got the back. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. That, I gotta tell you, that looks pretty sweet. I'm already excited. That looks even bigger, doesn't it? Wow, that's cool. That's the back. Okay, then we have, oh, we got the head pillow. This had an old head pillow. Ooh, wow, that is leather. That is quality. I like that already. And then oh, that might be the lumbar pillow. This might be the head pillow. Wow, we got two pillows. Oh, exciting. Let's see. Oh, we got a box. Oh, that's heavy. That's heavy. That's got to be our gears to put the thing together. And then we have the chair. Like they said, 550. I can see why. Zach, this is gonna fit your big butt. Look at that thing. That thing is huge. I mean, look at that. That's massive. Look at the difference. See how big that is? I mean, it is massive. That thing, I might disappear in this chair. That's pretty great. Okay, so I think we got everything out of there. I think I could. I think I can fit in here. I can. You can ship me. Where are we going? Colombia? All right. Let's put the chair together. Okay. Don't eat this. Don't eat this. Okay, time to put the chair together. Okay, what do we got? Are there any instructions anywhere? I bet they're in here. Where's the knife? Do not cut. Looks like it's pretty easy to assemble. Apple Watch is falling apart. Oh, look at this! They gave us little gloves. You know it's quality. You know it's quality when they send you gloves. Look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let's put the gloves on. Oh, yeah, look at that. They actually fit me, too. If you've got big hands, I don't think that'll fit you. I honestly don't. Big hands. Okay, I got the gloves on. Okay, what do we got? Catalog. Ewin. Oh, there it is. Look, in color, in vivo. This is color. This is quality. Okay, I actually am happy it's all black. That made my day. I think this is going to be my daily driver. Look, even more do not eat stuff. That's great. Okay, what else we got? We got some plastic pieces. We have, oh, that thing's heavy. That's a self-defense weapon, or it could be used for something that we don't want to discuss. Obviously, the wheels. We have the main functioning item. We got that. We got bolts. We have both Allen wrenches. Man, this comes with everything, even the gloves and more. Do not eat. Don't do that at home. I'm joking. I won't eat this silica gel. This keeps everything dry. This is actually good. I got to keep it away from the dogs. Okay, so there you go. That's done. Okay, so let's build this sucker. Okay, what does it say? Step 1, place the head back cushion on the front of the back seat. Let's take this out. Oh, do you smell that? That leather. Oh, I like it. Already oozing like quality. I feel like I'm opening a Lamborghini seat. Oh, this is cool. Honestly, I'm excited. This is cool. Look at this thing. Look at that. Ooh, it's got that smell. No wonder they give you gloves. Okay. We made it. We did it. Ewin Big Grand Chair Morning Coach. You can use the code 30% off. I like this thing. We tried it against the Secret Labs. I've had this chair for a couple years. Actually paid for it. I still like my Secret Labs chair. It's pretty comfortable. A little clicky when we come down. This tends to be a little smoother. Oh, this sucker is huge. I mean, look at the difference in the sizes. I mean, compare them. I like when I get in this chair, I sink into it. It's all leather, so I think over time it's really going to start to wear nice. Slideys come in and out, which is great. There's a lot to this chair. It's got a lock on this side, which I thought was pretty cool. Got to lock it so it doesn't go back. And then this side is smooth. Man, we go all the way back. I mean, I'm chilling, right? I am chilling. I think I screwed up my microphone all the way back here. But this is it. So you come back up. ECUs, pretty easy putting together. It wasn't bad. Me and Zach kind of hammered out, 10 minutes? I mean, it was nothing. They gave you the gloves. My gloves are already dirty. See that? But no, I like this chair. I'm going to give it a try for a little while. And we're going to give it a run and see, make it the daily driver for a while. Put the Secret Labs away for a little while. But in comparison, I mean, it's right there in the quality as much as the Secret Labs Omega. I like this chair. It's leather. It's comfortable. I think Zach was on it. He's big. It fit him pretty good. Steel. I think that's an important part. This is steel too. Nice casters. It moves around real nice. Very comfortable, but got this big wide berth. I think that's the big thing that's really nice on it. Adjustment for the recline is pretty cool. I'm loosening up a little bit so I can come back. There we go. That's a little bit easier, a little more. I like to kind of rock a little bit with my nervous energy. And there we go, bring it down a little bit. But yeah, pretty quality plastic here. Same as Secret Labs. But I give this thing a major thumbs up. I really like it. Again, I'm not getting compensated for this. You know, we're just doing a review. And for those of you who got chairs out there, send them to us because we'd love doing this. This is a lot of fun. I could just chill. Well, everybody, thank you so much for watching. More coming. Make sure you subscribe. Of course, hit that like. We love that. And I don't think I'm going to fall asleep here. We'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. You made it to the end. That is so awesome. So there's more content. To subscribe, just hit this little icon up here. And to watch the next video, it's right there. Go have a fantastic day, and thank you for supporting our community.